Alright, so the last part of this lesson series is going to be talking about how to redirect a user to a new ASPX form page, and it's really a simple piece of code, but just to get started, we're just going to right click again on the simple form page, and we're going to go to add. We're going to go to add, new item, and we're going to do web forms page, and it's going to be the ASPX page, but we're going to call it page or customer response, and we're just going to click add. Now what's going to happen is, because we're running most of the form in the ASCX page, we're going to go into the ASCX file. What we're going to do is, when clicked, we're going to just respond the user to the ASPX page. So it's going to be called response.redirect, and within this parentheses we are going to place a string, and the string is just going to be the name of the ASPX page that we would like to redirect the user to. So we're going to say customer response.aspx. We're going to save that, and then on that new ASPX page that we just created, we're going to go in and let's just do something so that we can see that we're on the new page. So in the div here, let's add a new control. Toolbox. And we're just going to add a label in here. And we're just going to go to the design view so we can edit that label. And we will add text in. But let's just move this down here and then give the user an opportunity to go back to the original page. So we'll add a button that allows them to do that. So that'll be called BTN redirect, and then the button will be called new submission, and that'll just allow them to go back to the old page. So double click to create the event handler, and now we're going to do again response.redirect, parentheses, quotes, and we're going to make that the customer form page, because that was the page that we came from, and that's what we want to send them back to if they want to make a new one. Customer form.aspx, and we're going to save that. And now, just because we have two ASPX pages, this is just kind of a neat thing to know. If you right click on the page that you want to set as your default run, say you have a home page, and when you're testing your website you want to set that as your default running page, just click on that page, right click, and then say set as start page. That way the program knows to run from that page. So now we're going to go ahead and run from the customer form page. Now in the last video we did set to have responses on that page, so obviously when we click submit, we're not going to be able to see those responses because it's just going to take us to the new ASPX page. So Gavin, it's still going to validate all this stuff anyway in the if statement. Food, cell phone, yes, and then submit. And it took us to that new ASPX page, and you can see it in the link, or the URL at the top. And then the response has been recorded, thank you, and we're going to say new submission to go back to that page, and it takes us back. So this is the last video in the 5 series videos for simple web forms. I will be getting started on new lesson series, and I hope you were able to learn something through these first few videos. Thank you for watching.